All right, well, it's time for a little unboxing video. So I saw something online that I had never seen before, and it relates to one of my cars. So I just had to have it. So just came in the mail today, and we're gonna see what it really looks like. Missed one. There we go. So it's an Amazon box. No, did not come from Amazon. How many spots is this taped up? So, what is it? Any guesses? Okay. Check this out. That is cool. So this is an original dealership. It's a showroom display. It's a 3D kind of a shadow box looking display. Would have hung on the wall at the Packard dealership for when the 1957 Packard Clipper Country sedan was being sold brand new. That is very cool. And of course, after all these years, the car itself has some wear and tear, just like mine does. But I do have an original 1957 Packard wagon, the country sedan. So if you haven't seen that video, please take a look. It's pretty cool. It's one of my projects that I've been buying parts for, and I had to have this. So I have never seen another one before, but I would imagine all the dealerships possibly had these hanging on their walls. But the actual car, they only made, I believe, 869 of them. So the car is rare. This is pretty rare too, but it's cool. It's gonna stick with the car. That's it. So another present for me. I just had to have it. That's the kind of stuff I like. Thanks for watching. And you know what? I didn't realize this when I first took it out. You can see there's cardboard underneath here, but this actually extends farther out to give it an even more 3D effect. Very cool. All right. Neat. Okay. Have a good one.